is all, like, this is going to be thousands and thousands of dollars in repairs. Jesus. Andres, let's go have a, let's finish having a look. Got cables that are down, been pulled down. Let's have a look at the, look at this. Like, it just crumpled, it crumpled the metal. That's not supposed to be like that. Like, that was a straight pole. To do additional cleaning before they even start their job. Look at this fence is like leaning in. The damn welds broke at the ground. Something hit the vent on the ambulance yesterday and busted this stuff in, so we'll have to fix that. It's already zip tied on from the last damn storm and they're falling off again.
So we've rounded up both teams right now with the help of a couple of fellows from the animal rescue group. We have started fixing, rebuilding, putting back everything that was blown away by the wind from last night. Ahead of us, all the way towards the end of the driveway, there's a lot of wreckage. Dismantling the shades. We're going to throw away the bad fabric, then cut the poles, and then try to repurpose them. Well, the first phase of today, or at least the first phase of managing this crisis, is to disassemble everything, and then on another day, once we got the guys again, most of them, by the way, are volunteering. That's the kosher from the other team. He came in, volunteer, free of charge, working extra time. The second phase of this operation is going to be welding everything back together. So they're going to cut all the bad side of the twisted metal, the bent ones, and also are aiming to lower the height of the shade as well. The cabin that was in the middle of the driveway has been completely dismantled, and these are the pieces. We've moved it to the side. I just collected all the scrap parts. Day, تا دست خوش